What is the Mary Ambler Archives? The Archives serves as the official repository for any and all official publications, meeting minutes, images, audiovisual, and physical objects that are considered significant to Lindenwood University's current and past history. So what's the purpose of the Archives? The Archives helps researchers get a glimpse into the events, people, fields of study, and the thinking behind official university policies. The Archives gives researchers the ability to see original primary source items so that they can interpret items on their own. Using the Archives. Due to the uniqueness of the things in the Archives, items in Lindenwood's collection cannot be checked out. Archival items must be viewed on site. For the protection of the items in the Archives, any bags, backpacks, or briefcases must be stored in the lockers provided by the Archives. No food, drinks, or pens will be allowed in the Archives to prevent any potential damage to the items being researched. There are two areas in the Archives. The first is in the research room, which is where anyone wanting to research items in the Archives can sit down and view them. The second area are the stacks. This is where the bulk of items in Lindenwood's collection are stored. This area is restricted to Lindenwood employees. Items requested from the stacks will be retrieved by a Lindenwood employee and brought out to the research room. Researching archival items. Most research will be done by reviewing primary source paper documents. These documents are organized by subjects within folders and boxes. For most of the items that a researcher comes across, items within folders will be organized chronologically according to the time it was produced. Researchers should keep items arranged as they found them. Only one folder should be pulled out of a box at any given time, and only one box at a time should be opened. Copying items. Permission to copy items from the Archives will be at the discretion of the archivist. For items that can be copied, the Archives has scanners available to convert items into digital files. Also, if given permission, a researcher may be allowed to photograph items. Items being used for commercial purposes will be required to pay publishing fees. All other copying is free of charge. If you would like to visit the Archives, it is located in the lower level of the Lark in room 015. The Archives is generally open between 8:30 a.m. and 5 p.m. on Monday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. On Tuesday, it's open between 2 and 5 p.m. It is always best to call ahead of time when you make a plan for a visit in case the archivist has an appointment out of the office. The phone number for the Archives is 636-949-4823. The email, phuffman, PHUFFMAN, @lindenwood.edu. To provide better accessibility, the Archives has digitized some of its most requested items. Items such as yearbooks, student newspapers, images, and important documents. Digitized items can be retrieved from the internet-connected device by going to the address listed on your screen. Thank you for your time.